Here's the following problem related to Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. I scroll down using the mouse wheel. I see this portion which has a rectangle. I scroll down and now I don't see it. So let's scroll up. Now I see it again. So while I scroll down, I see a total different page. If I scroll up, I see a total different page. So how to make this page viewing continuous instead of showing just one page at a time? Come here to the menu, more exactly to View, Page, Display, and enable scrolling, because currently it's showing just one single page at a time. So enable scrolling. Now if you scroll, notice that rectangle is still there. I scroll and it's still there. So now I can see even the space between the two pages. Now it's not jumping from one page to the other.